Hello everyone, my name is Nicole Torres and I am your tour guide here in Spain from Southeast Europe. Spain is a vibrant country located in Southeast Western Europe, known for its rich history, diverse culture, stunning landscape with warm hospitality. Spain is a country known for its diverse and stunning landscape, from beautiful beaches to historic cities and picturesque villages. Here are a top 10 beautiful spots in Spain that worth visiting. First, Mas Palomas Beach, Gran Canaria. A golden landscape on the south coast of Gran Canaria in the Canary Islands. Mas Palomas Beach is a designated nature reserve and one of the prettiest places in Spain. Second, Sagrada Familia Barcelona, an iconic basilica designed by architect Antoni Gaudí. This unique and breathtaking masterpiece is a must-visit in Barcelona. Third, Royal Alcázar Seville. This stunning royal palace in Seville is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its beautiful Moorish architecture and lush gardens. Fourth, Cathedral of Murcia, Cartagena. A Gothic-style cathedral in the city of Murcia, this architectural gem is a must-see for history and architecture enthusiasts. 5. Atalaya Castle, Alicante. This ancient castle in Alicante offers panoramic views of the surrounding area. Is a great spot to explore the region area or history. 6th, Old Quarter Balbo. The old town of Balbo is a charming area filled with historic buildings, narrow streets, and traditional Basque architecture. 8 or 7. Seville Cathedral Seville. This Gothic cathedral is the largest in the world and is renowned for its stunning architecture and rich history. 8. Guggenheim Museum Bilbao, a masterpiece of contemporary architecture designed by Frank Gehry. The Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao is a cultural landmark and a must-visit for art lovers. Alhambra Palace, Granada. This magnificent palace and fortress complex in Granada is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a stunning example of Moorish architecture. Last but not the least, the La Concha Beach, San Sebastian, one of the most urban beaches in Spain. La Concha Beach in Sebastian is known for its beautiful crescent shape and picturesque setting. This beautiful spot here in Spain offers a mix of natural beauty, historical significance, and architectural wonders that showcase the country's rich culture and diversity. You must visit the Spain country and the all beautiful spot there. See you there!